Innovation is happening right under our noses no matter where we are in the world. Let's take a look at some groundbreaking technologies in development around the globe. We begin our travels in La La Land to explore a new dimension to digital experiences. Sights and sounds make VR games fairly realistic, but a sense of touch would truly bring them to life. That's why researchers at Disney designed the Force Jacket. It's covered with inflatable airbags and vibrating sensors across the arms and torso. When activated, they create the illusion of direct force being applied to a certain spot on the body. So for example, when a player gets hit in the chest by a virtual snowball, the airbags and sensors in that region are triggered. The pressure from the swelling airbags and the vibration from the sensors make the player feel like they've just got hit by a real snowball. The Disney team also developed games that simulate muscles growing and a snake slithering across your body. Talk about an immersive experience. Next, we journey to the Netherlands for a flying machine that will have you bugging out. It can fly in any direction and change course on a dime thanks to an unusual design inspired by nature. Check out the death-defying maneuvers this thing can pull off. The DelFly uses 4 rapidly flapping wings to keep it airborne, just like a fruit fly or mosquito. Subtle changes in the pitch, roll, and movement speed of the wings steer the robot. This allows it to do everything from hover in place to flip 360 degrees. The DelFly is incredibly lightweight at just 29 grams and can reach a top speed of 25 kilometers an hour. It can also carry payloads of up to 4 grams, about the weight of a small camera system or sensor. You might just be looking at the drone design of the future, if you can keep your eye on it, that is. And finally, we remain in the air above Guangzhou, China. That's where a company called EHang is attempting to revolutionize how we get around. Behold the 184, a fully electric autonomous quadcopter. It can carry a single passenger as far as 16 kilometers or roughly 23 minutes of flight at speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour. All the rider has to do is punch in their destination and the 184 does the rest. It can take off, fly a designated route, avoid obstacles, and land all by itself. EHang's goal is to create a fleet of flying taxis that ferry riders across dense and congested urban areas. The company has tested the aircraft over more than 1,000 flights in challenging conditions like heavy fog, high winds, and at night. It's not quite ready for deployment just yet, but it could be an aerial fixture in the near future. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.